Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am very excited about today's video because we will be attempting to make flaxseed and fenugreek hair gel. This is the gel that you go to the store and you get to slick down your hair. So for this video, I used 1/3 cup of flax seeds, 1/4 cup of fenugreek, and I went ahead and added 4 cups of water. Just to be clear, please do not use or attempt this video if you are allergic to anything that I'm using. So let's just go ahead and say ask your doctor before you use any of these. So I let mine sit on medium heat for about 10 minutes for a total of 15 minutes. Just watching it, turning it. You have to make sure that you're stirring it because you don't want it to get too thick and stick together. So after letting it boil for about 15 minutes, I will go ahead and strain it in order to get the gel. This is what the gel looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply this gel on a freshly washed hair. So this is the hair she has, I believe 4B hair. It's not too kinky. So I'm just going to start by slicking it from the back and showing you guys, the whole process of laying it down. As you can see, the gel does add a lot of shine to the hair. So after I slicked it down, I went ahead and tied it down for roughly an hour because I wanted it to air dry. This is what it looked like after I removed the scarf. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's a little flaky in some areas. You know how like you put gel and it turns white? The same thing kind of happened here. If you can see the little flakes right there. So I went ahead, wet a paper towel and wiped it off, then put some oil on those areas that were flaky. This brings us to the end of the video. Just keep in mind that when you make this gel, it's not like a hairstyle that might last long for you. I think just 1 or 2 days. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Feel free to tell me how yours came out and how long the hairstyle lasted for. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and of course share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.